Hello everyone. Let's talk about one of the simplest and most delicious ways to boost your health: fruit. But with so many options, it can be overwhelming. I'm not just going to list fruits. I'm going to group them into a practical, powerful list based on what they do best for your body. Think of this as your shopping guide to a healthier you. The all-rounders, your everyday essentials. First, we have the fruits you can eat every single day. They're reliable, packed with nutrients, and easy to find. Apples. An apple a day? It's true. They are a fantastic source of fiber, which helps with digestion and keeps you feeling full. Bananas. The perfect portable snack. Bananas are famous for their potassium, which is vital for heart and muscle function, and they provide great natural energy. Oranges. The classic vitamin C powerhouse. Essential for a strong immune system and healthy skin. The antioxidant superstars fight damage and disease. Next, let's look at the fruits with deep, vibrant colors. These colors are signs of powerful antioxidants that help protect your cells from damage. Berries. This is your top tier. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are low in sugar but high in fiber and brain-boosting antioxidants. Pomegranates. Those ruby red seeds are packed with compounds that are incredibly good for your heart health. Grapes, especially red purple. They contain resveratrol, a well-known antioxidant linked to longevity and heart health. The hydration heroes refresh and replenish. Some fruits are like a drink of water. They're perfect for hot days or after a workout. Watermelon. The name says it all. It's over 90% water, helping you stay hydrated. It also contains lycopene, good for your heart. Cantaloupe. Another hydrating melon that's also rich in vitamin A, which is great for your vision and skin. The unique and powerful, don't forget these. Finally, here are a few fruits that are so unique and beneficial, they deserve their own category. Avocado. Yes, it's a fruit. It's unique because it's full of healthy fats, not sugar. These fats are amazing for your heart and help your body absorb nutrients from other foods. Kiwi. Don't be fooled by its small size. One kiwi has all the vitamin C you need for a day, and it contains an enzyme that acts as a natural digestive aid. Pineapple. It's sweet, delicious, and contains bromelain, an enzyme that helps reduce inflammation and aids digestion. Conclusion and your challenge. So, there you have it. A practical list that goes beyond just names. Your goal shouldn't be to just pick one. The real secret is to eat the rainbow. Get a variety of colors on your plate every week. Each color provides a different set of vitamins and antioxidants. So next time you're at the grocery store, use this list. Grab a banana for energy, some berries for your brain, an apple for fiber, and maybe an avocado for those healthy fats. Your body will thank you for it.